Oh, wow. That was not smart. Whatever. Look what I did with my mic cord. I came in through here and then came back out. I'm gonna leave it like that. All right, hey, I'm just unboxing hardware from Weaver Leather. Just a big old box. Big old box of hardware. I would say, I'll look at the bill, but I think I spent like 400 bucks. But let's go ahead and open it up. Let me get my knife. Let's turn the camera down and open it up. Like my angle of the dangle. Unboxing, people like this. Unboxing stuff. Ooh. Okay, so we have the wide guard buckles. That's the male side. This is the female side. And I ordered 50. This is the 3/4 inch trigger snaps. I don't know if you guys can see the names and stuff. I ordered, I'm trying to read this upside down, 50. The reason why I ordered 50 is because at 50 you get a discounted rate. I ordered solid brass trigger snaps, 1 inch, and I got 50 again. You reach that discounted threshold once you hit the 50. 1.5 inch solid D's, 50, I'm assuming. Yeah, 50 of those. Stainless steel D rings, 1.5 inch. And I think I got 50 of those. Did I? 50 pieces, yeah. And Sam Brown stud with D's. Sam Brown studs, which they call screw studs, 1/4 inch, 50 of these. Oh, pack of 50. Yeah, pack of 50 there. Chicago screws, 3/8. You can only order these a pack of hundreds, so I got 1 pack of that. And every time I order from Weaver Leather, I go ahead and get solid brass rivets. I always go ahead and order solid brass rivets, number 9s, because I go through those like a lot. Okay, so there's that. Let me, I don't have my packing slip. Oh, there is no packing slip. Oh, it was on the box that I had my leather, because I had 2 sides of leather. Let me go check that box real quick. Alrighty, so yeah, the packing slip was on the box with the leather on it. So I'm just gonna go through here to make sure I have it. Yeah, if you wanna freeze that so you can see exactly what I got, it has the part numbers and everything on there. So Weaver Leather, there you go. And don't forget, this video is sponsored by nobody. But yeah, let's go ahead and check. Number 1, solid button screws with studs, 50 of those. That's right here. Check. That's those. Okay. Chicago screws plain, 3/8, pack of 100. Check. Number 9, brass rivets. A box of that. They go a pound. 1.5 inch D's, 50. I remember that's these. I remember those. Scissor snaps, 1 inch. Scissor snaps, 3/4 inch. Yep. Stainless steel D's, 50 of those. Yep. Wide guard side release. Yep. And then a side of 9 to 10 ounce and a side of 4 to 5 ounce. Natural Herman oak. That's it. I got it all. Let's do an outro. Bye. That's all I got for you. If you guys like this kind of stuff, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye. Have a good day. God bless you. Bye. Bye.